As we begin to transport students, we just wanted to take the time to show you how transportation is helping to prevent the spread of the COVID-19 virus. After each run, our drivers will be wiping all the high-touch areas of the bus. This will include all the seats students were sitting in and the handrails on both sides. After the bus has finished all routes and has returned to the bus lot, we will be doing a full disinfected spraying of the bus, spraying all the seats and all the touch areas. This will be conducted after each completed AM and PM route. To further help us combat the spreading of the COVID-19 virus, all students are required to wear face masks or shields while riding the bus. Drivers will be carrying extra face masks for students just in case a student needs one. For more information, please visit our website at www.bsd405.org.